guys, in this hair tutorial we're just going to focus on the theory side of Afro and multi-textured hair. As you can see here, we have 5 key points that we want to share with you, specifically regarding to understanding how to work with the hair. The first thing that we're going to be looking at is the terms and the definitions that we use when we describe these specific 2 hair groups. We need to understand what are the things that we would see when we're looking at the hair, how would we describe it. The next thing that we want to look at is the hair and the curl structure, specifically looking at the 2 differences between the 2 hair groups. One is tightly coiled, one is a slightly looser curl to a tighter curl. So we're going to look a little bit more about that. The next thing we're going to look at here, the third key point that we have, is the curl guide chart. I'm going to go in and describe and explain that a little bit more. Some of you might already be familiar with this, but we use numbers and letters to describe specific structures that we see in the curl patterns, such as 3A or 4A. So we're going to look a little bit more about that as well. The fourth key that we're going to be looking at is going to be our products and styling techniques. We look at products such as our curl defining products that we use for curly hair textures, and also the type of creams that we use when we're looking at moisturizing Afro hair texture. Examples of styling techniques I'll be talking about would be flat twisting, bantu knots, silk press styling. That would be for heat styling as well. There's quite a few other styling techniques that we're going to be looking at. The last thing that we're going to also talk about is the hair care and maintenance of the hair. For example, how would someone look after bantu knots? How would someone look after curls that have been curl defined? What routines should someone be doing if they have type 4 hair or type 3 hair texture? And you as a stylist, what are the recommendations you'll be giving to someone to maintain a style that you've created for them?